Trading meme coins can be exciting, but it also comes with serious risks. One of the biggest dangers is falling victim to a rug pull. If you've traded on Pump.fun, you've probably seen it happen. You buy a coin, the price starts rising, everything looks good. Then suddenly, a giant red candle. The price crashes almost to zero in seconds. It's frustrating, and it makes you think all meme coins are scams. But that's not true. There are real projects. You just need to know what to watch for. In this video, I'll show you how to spot red flags and introduce a tool I've built to help you avoid getting rugged on Pump.fun. First, let's look at a suspicious token's transaction history. If we scroll back to the beginning, we can spot a red flag. Multiple transactions have the same signature. Next, we head to Solscan for a deeper look. We can see that this transaction is signed by several wallets. This usually means the token was launched using a bot. The scammer can later dump all tokens from those wallets at once. Avoid such tokens. Another warning sign is a high percentage of the supply in bundles. If bundles make up most of the token supply, stay away. Also, check the holders list. If the wallets have the same balance and the same number of transactions, it's a bad sign. Most likely, the wallets belong to the same person. To help avoid these traps, I've built a tool that scans Pump.fun in real time. It uses filters you set to find promising coins and flag risky ones. The bot sends you tokens with detailed info so you can make smarter decisions. And if you like what you see, you can buy directly with the Trojan trading bot, just one click. Rug pulls are everywhere, but that doesn't mean you have to be the victim. With the right tools and a bit of knowledge, you can trade meme coins more safely. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Stay smart and don't get rugged.